This workspace has been designed as a general Bible study environment, but is easy to modify for more specialized users. My favorites are opened in a window at far left to save space. The workspace is focused on 6 main windows: a search window for locating information in resources, a translations window for displaying the Bible in my most commonly used translations, an original languages window for displaying the Bible in original source texts, a lexical tools window for displaying information from dictionaries and lexicons, a dictionaries and encyclopedia window for displaying information from general and specialized Bible dictionaries and encyclopedias, a commentary window for displaying information from the commentary guide, exegetical guide, and dictionary articles. 2 narrow windows at far right provide additional information on the passage currently being looked at. The top window at far right contains the useful Explorer tab for discovering a range of information about the passage and providing convenient links to the commentaries discussing that passage. The Cited By tab for discovering which resources in my various collections contain commentary on that passage. And the Information tab for discovering information about specific English or original language words in the passage. The bottom window at far right displays the Text Comparison tab, showing how other translations have rendered the passage without me needing to open each translation individually. These 2 windows are both linked to Set A, the same as my translations window, so they automatically display information on the passage I'm looking at currently. Now let's look at each of the main windows in detail. The search window has 3 tabs: a tab to open and locate my collections conveniently, a tab for searching resources in my library, and a tab for Bible searches. The translations window displays my most commonly used English translations. I use the English Standard Version reverse interlinear for convenient quick access to the original language text of the Old and New Testaments in one tab. Note that all the tabs in this window are linked to Set A, so they all change to the passage I'm currently looking at. The Original Languages window displays the Lexham Hebrew Interlinear for the Old Testament, the Lexham Septuagint Interlinear and the Göttingen for the Greek Old Testament, the Nestle Aland 28th edition, the latest Greek critical text of the New Testament, the Nestle Aland 28th edition apparatus to identify textual alternatives, and Bruce Metzger's commentary on the Greek text of the New Testament, which explains how scholars have made decisions on which textual alternatives were the most reliable. These resources will be useful to you if you know at least one of the original source languages of the Bible and if you have some understanding of textual criticism. If you don't know any of the original source languages, you may wish to use the tabs in this window for resources you find more useful. The Lexical Tools window contains my most commonly used Hebrew and Greek lexicons and dictionaries. I've left them open in this window to save time when doing original language word studies. The Dictionaries window displays my most commonly used general and specialized Bible dictionaries and encyclopedias. This saves time when I want to look up topics related to the passage I'm currently viewing. The dictionary tabs are all linked to Set C, so I only need to type a word into one of them, and then all the dictionaries with an article on that topic will display it. The Commentary window displays 3 tabs: Commentary Master, which is a Bible commentary guide I customized to show my preferred commentaries, Exegetical Guide, a standard Logos exegetical tool, and Dictionary Articles, a custom guide I made to search dictionary articles quickly and conveniently. Let's see how this layout works when I'm examining a specific passage. We'll look at Genesis 6 verse 4. You can see all my preferred versions have turned to the passage I'm looking at. At this point I'm interested in the word Nephilim, so I look at the footnote in the New English Translation first. Then I right-click on the Hebrew word in the English Standard Version interlinear, and I use my customized word study to give me more information. From here I can look up the lexical range of the word in my favorite lexicons and dictionaries, as well as looking up every instance of the word in the Hebrew text. In this window I can also use my Dictionaries tab to search all the dictionary articles providing additional information on the word in question. Since all my favorite dictionaries are currently already open in their own tab, as soon as I click on the link to one of them, all of the others which have information on that topic will automatically turn to it. The exegetical guide over here in my Commentaries tab identifies alternative readings using the apparatus of the Göttingen Septuagint and provides grammatical information and sentence diagramming. At the bottom far right, the text comparison window allows me to see how the passage has been rendered by a wide range of other Bible translations. At the top far right, the Explorer tab provides information about people, places and things in the passage, relevant media, references to the passage in my notes, biblical cross-references, and a list of all the commentaries I own which refer to the passage. The Cited By tab is extremely useful, showing me the references to this passage by all the works in my various collections. Since I have all my journals in collections as well, this is a very convenient way to find references to the passage in all of my journals. I hope you found this tutorial useful.